Here we have a 2018 GMC Sierra with the 5.3. We just did a complete catback true dual exhaust system. No mufflers, no X-pipe, nothing at all to keep the sound down. Out to some nice 6-inch tips out the back. Those are pretty massive, as you can tell. Customer wants to make it rumble, wants to get a little clap to it. This should do the trick. Still has the factory cats. But it's going to be loud and it's going to rumble good. Let's see what it sounds like. That's what I'm talking about here. Let's stand back a little bit here. Wake up the dead. That's pretty loud. And that's what the customer's looking for right there.